Although there are many different types of lawn mowers, the vast majority of them share a common engine system, which is known as a four-cylinder engine. The following explanation strives to explain the internal process of this type of engine, and as such, how a lawnmower works. How lawnmower engines work. To start the engine of a lawnmower, one must simultaneously hold the brake bar, which can be found parallel to the handle, and pull the starter cord. The starter cord will start the flywheel to spinning, which in turn starts the crankshaft moving. The crankshaft is connected to the single piston in the engine, and so by pulling the starter cord, many of the vital pieces of the engine are set into motion. Another important part of the engine is the spark plug, which is designed to light the gas in the engine and cause combustion. The spark plug is powered by two magnets, which are attached to the flywheel. As the flywheel spins, it carries the magnets past the ignition coil with every rotation. This causes a magnetic field, which is used to power the spark plug. The four-stroke process. While that is going on outside of the cylinder, inside it the piston is completing its four-stroke process, the first of which is the intake stroke. As the piston moves to the bottom of the cylinder and the intake valve releases, a mixture of gas and air is allowed to flow into the carburetor. Then the piston rebounds back to the top of the cylinder. The intake valve has closed by this time, and so the mixture of gas and air is trapped and gets compressed into a tiny space. This is the second stroke of the process, the compression stroke. It is at this point that the spark plug fires, using the electricity generated by the magnets rotating past the ignition coil, and the spark combusts the compressed mixture of gas and air. The resulting explosion, although small, is sufficient to push the piston back to the bottom of the cylinder, completing the third stroke, the power stroke.